We're cranking up the heat in the Studio 5 kitchen with a Louisiana-style dinner favorite. It's a seasoned jambalaya with all of the flavor and none of the mushy rice. Becky Low is bringing us this unusual outdoor grilling recipe to kick things up for Memorial Day weekend. It's so good to see you. I've missed you.
Good to see you. I've missed you. This is fun.
It is fun to be reunited with friends. I was just telling Becky, we blessed our Boston on Sunday and wrapped him up in that beautiful blanket you brought us home from Bethlehem. That we blessed Onion as well. So thanks for being part of our family that way. I was thinking of you this weekend. All right, back to food.
Okay.
Back to food. So jambalaya, I was just saying as well, the only experience I really have with this personally is I buy the canned version and use it in my sloppy joes.
Oh.
Okay.
All right, so it's seasoning for sloppy joes, and that's okay.
Yeah.
But, you know, if you are from Louisiana, then jambalaya is not the canned stuff.
You know the real deal.
Yeah. In fact, it's a Louisiana dish. It's French and Spanish origin, and it's simmering the rice with the vegetables and the meat, you know, for an hour, sometimes longer, and it does make it kind of mushy. I prefer my rice a little bit firmer. So
you don't like mushy rice?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a great alternative, and it kicks off the grilling season, and it adds a whole different depth of flavor to it.
So we're going to cook it on the grill or on the stove top?
We're going to do it on the grill.
Nice.
Grill. All right, so let me show you what we've got.
Okay.
First off, the vegetables. We want to have vegetables. In fact, there's usually some basic onions, peppers, and celery. They sometimes will call these the Trinity, and this is a must with Creole Cajun cooking. You know, those are and I'm going to have you stir those up.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll add that in. Now, other vegetables could be added to it, but we want just this much. Now, since we're going to be grilling these, I'm going to add just a little bit of oil. Toss that with some oil.
Is there a good rule of thumb when you're doing veggies, like oil per veggie ratio?
Oh, I don't want it to drip off.
Yeah.
I have a little flash then on the grill if you do that. So you want it to coat.
Okay.
It depends on how many vegetables you have, and you know, and those vegetables can really vary in size.
Sure.
And so making a nice little set, I'm going to add just a little bit more to that.
Just a good even coating.
Yeah, nice good even coating. Okay, then the meat. Oh, now we can add other vegetables. I personally like tomatoes, and so we're going to put in some...
I personally don't, but... Oh! No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
You know, this is just colorful, even looking at it this far.
Look how pretty, yeah.
Okay, then the meats. Okay, now, jambalaya starts off with sausage, a smoked sausage. And it's usually, of course, ground. It's smoked before it goes into the casing, and then it's smoked afterwards. It's usually fully cooked, but you don't have the full flavor there. So we have some sausage.
And can you get this at your grocery deli, or?
Yeah, well, actually, it's in the sausage section of the grocery store.
Oh, okay.
And if you can't find it, then ask your grocer for it.
Okay.
Okay, we'll throw those in. Next, it can have any kind of meat that you want with it, including alligator.
We'll skip that. I gave you the tomatoes. Now give me the alligator.
All right, no alligator. So what we'll use is some chicken thighs. Now, you could use the chicken breast, but the thighs have much more flavor with it, and we want those coated so that they'll brown. So I usually I chop them up, you know, just so that they're bite-sized pieces. And then we want some seasoning to go with this. And so we're going to add just some Creole Seasoning, and we'll add about a teaspoon with this. And you can add more or less, you know, for your heat. If you wanted, you could actually add some chilies to this.
I'm showing my novice status when it comes to jambalaya. What kind of seasoning, what kind of flavor does that seasoning bring?
Oh, excuse me.
You got a little bit of that.
Yeah, swallowed it. It's usually some red cayenne or some red pepper with it, and some salt, and this has a lot of salt with it. So when it's too salty, you've added plenty.
Okay. We're getting you a drink, Becky, sorry.
Oh, thank you.
That red pepper just flew right in there.
Okay, we're going to add that to it as well. Okay, and at that point, we'll toss that into a grill basket. And I have a grill basket here ready to go.
Is this worth the investment? I don't have a grill basket. Is that something you reach for a lot during the summer season? Here's tip with your water.
Oh, thank you very much.
It's nice to see all those colored veggies, though, spread out. I can tell you that. You know that what you're getting is going to be healthy and flavor-packed. Look at that. It looks amazing.
Oh, it's very pretty. And the nice thing, too, grill basket, I love this one. Now,
wait. Do you like it? Okay.
Here, let me repeat that. Love it. And I like something with the sides so that I can actually stir it. So we put that on a medium to medium hot grill it until it starts to char and until the chicken is completely cooked.
Okay, do you get to do like the chef shake where you like go like this and toss it around?
Absolutely. And because it has the sides, then it just helps with that.
Yes, okay.
All right, next thing is the rice.
Don't be afraid to snag another drink if you need one.
Oh,
We're pushing you through. We're pushing you through.
Okay, rice, instead of cooking the rice with it, now normally it's just all stewed together, and again, you know, for about an hour. So we're gonna cook our rice separate. So we start off with just some chicken broth.
Which you've taught us using a chicken broth or a beef broth gives a little more flavor to your rice.
Long grain rice. We'll also use some chopped tomatoes.
I'm watching closely because I'm gonna make this.
Oh, you are gonna love it.
I am, I'm gonna
some
try
more
it.
Creole flavoring with
Okay.
it. Now, if you wanted, you could add some clam juice to it, which I actually like.
What?
And you just buy that in the same section you buy the chopped clams.
What does that taste like?
It adds some seafood flavor to it.
Do we want seafood flavor?
Well,
I'm not
I
a
like
seafood
shrimp.
lover.
In fact, that's
it's right up there with alligator for me. Okay.
We have not added the shrimp, so once it's grilling, the shrimp cook really quick, and so you just put those on top of the grill basket.
Okay.
Let those cook for the last.
So add
few
those
minutes.
last.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so we already have our rice.
Look how
We're gonna
colorful.
oh, it is just so
like summer
colorful.
in a bowl.
Now, if you're more of a classic traditionalist and you really want that soupy-ness that goes with traditional jambalaya, then you maybe want to add a little bit more juice to this.
Okay.
And so I warm up just some V8 juice or some tomato juice.
And
we'll
soak it good.
Yeah, toss that just a
Do we
little
eat this
bit.
in a bowl or a plate?
Whatever you want.
Whatever, okay.
Even your fingers to pick out those little yummy parts.
Okay, to pick out the alligator.
That's it. Now, this can get really, really hot, and so what do you serve with hot food?
Yeah.
Milk.
Milk.
You know, if you try and drink water with it, it is not going to quench that
We knew
hot.
she would say that.
So it's the milk. Make
Yeah.
sure you serve it with the milk, some lemon slices, and you have a great grilled dish that's just flavorful.
I can't wait to try it because the flavor, all of the flavors we layered in there, I know are going to be amazing.
And like you
much.
said, it is extremely pretty.
Yeah, very pretty to serve. All right, this recipe, Becky's recipe for jambalaya, on our website, studio5.ksl.com. Just click there on the recipe button. Becky, thanks. It's so great to be back in the kitchen with you.
Good to see you.